I have such a lovely bedroom. It is not big, but it is not small. It has a west-facing window with an old window sill with the old icons on it. There is a stack of my copybooks that serve me to write down my new English words. There is a heater below the window sill. It has a heating regulator. To decrease the heating, you need to turn it to the left. To increase it, you need to turn it to the right. There is an extension cord near the wall. It serves me for charging my phone or laptop battery. There is a small bench here where I can put my clothes. There is a bedside table on the left by the wall behind me and in front of my bed. My bed fits me well for my height. It has two pillows dressed in the silk pillowcases laid near by the headboard. My bed is always well made. It has a mattress and a sheet. It has 4 legs to stand on the floor. When I am ready to fall asleep, I lie down on my bed, cover myself with 2 blankets, and put my head on my pillow. I prefer to sleep on my left side. I never use an alarm clock to wake up. I follow my biological clock. On the wall is an old rug that has been hanging here since my grandparents lived here. I love this carpet. It looks like a Turkish one. There is a carpet on the floor between my bed and my bookcase. My bookcase has 3 shelves and 2 drawers filled with different things. My drawers serve me for storing documents, sheets of paper, and sundries. The bottom shelf is filled with books of different genres: classic, historical, scientific. The middle shelf is filled with all sorts of little things like a phone charger, photo frame, and glasses cases. The top shelf is filled with various CDs of films, video games, and photos. To the left of the bookcase is a desk. There's also a laptop, headphones, radio, and an inkwell with a few pens, erasers, and pencils. There is also an old monitor that has no longer been used and 2 packs of paper tissues. There is an armchair between the bed and the sofa next to the wardrobe. The wardrobe is filled with different types of clothing such as jackets, waistcoats, jumpers, t-shirts, jeans, trousers, hats, scarves, and coats. There is a socket and light switch next to the front door.